Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate animated cartoons with AI and CapCut. So to do that, it's quite simple. You just have to open up the CapCut application, then move to the text menu, which is going to be on the bottom left corner of the screen, right here, this text. Then introduce your text that you would like for your characters to say by tapping on add text. Then your text box is going to appear right here. You can just select it.
Hey,
And
how
this
are
is
you
for
today?
AI avatars. And in this menu, just go to stylized, and here you can find cartoons and kids animations that you can
Hey,
use
how are you today?
just like this.
Hey, how
This
are
is
you
a
today?
text
Are
box.
you ready to create with CapCut? Press.
You can use this for your cartoons. As you can see, there are many characters that you can use for your animations. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.